Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search effects on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my main page and I'm logged into my account, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is swiping right to open up the Create tab, or call it whatever you want, and I'm going to go into Story where I already am. Now, once you're in Story, as you can see at the bottom, you have these effects, and you want to swipe all the way to the right so that you can see this browse effects option. This magnifying glass is what you want, and you just want to tap on it, and as you can see now, you have the entire library of effects at your disposal. Then you can go to trending, to appearance, to aesthetic, do whatever you want, but you can also click on the hourglass icon and then search for an effect, and you can search whatever you want. I don't know, for example, I'll search for something anime, why not? And now, as you can see, you have a list of filters with anime in their name, or effects rather, and you can use them to your wishes. Use them however you want, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Then when you select one filter, then that filter will be applied, as you can see in my story right above, and now you can just use that filter to take a picture, make a story, do whatever you want. If you just want to take a picture, you just take the picture, then go to the top right, and I'm pretty sure you can save it from there. Yep, you can just tap save and save it to your phone, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.